At number 3, we have the Bernette B77. The B77 excels with its integrated dual feed mechanism, delivering professional quality stitches across delicate chiffon, thick denim, and multi-layered quilts effortlessly. Boasting 500 built-in stitches and 17 one-step buttonholes, this machine offers exceptional versatility for garment construction, decorative projects, and intricate quilting patterns. The intuitive 5-inch color touchscreen simplifies navigation while providing real-time stitch adjustments and a built-in sewing consultant for fabric-specific guidance. 8 specialized presser feet, including a walking foot and free-motion quilting attachment. Enhanced precision for diverse techniques, complemented by a spacious extension table for large projects. Features like the semi-automatic needle threader, programmable foot control, and knee lift streamline workflow, minimizing interruptions during creative sessions. Its robust construction ensures consistent stitch formation with minimal puckering, supported by automatic tension adjustments and a thread cutter for clean finishes.